Hello, everyone. Be a network. Respect yourself. I never start. It just the booga. Guys, morning. How are you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on where you're watching me from. You're highly welcome. Share the program. New updates. Hold on, let me edit my title of this wonderful program so you can see it clearly. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Please, if you're joining me, do me one clear favor. Share the program as you're joining. Good morning. Hope you're doing fine. I can't even see better. What's wrong? Okay. Good morning. Share the program. Can you know the latest updates? Share the program. Okay. The court sats. Melistia. Deji and so-called Obiora, age of 4, from respondent. The courts sit the case if so versus state and section 16 whatever. Court emphasize the need justification for granting bail and stated criticism where bail cannot be granted. So if you listen to Shawara, where they support Udele, where they give you false information on your business, you don't say Shawara, he has a large platform and he can, use his platform to lie and deceive people. I took my time. I contacted lawyers that were involved. Yesterday I was so busy. And I needed to cook because my husband is returning today, I needed to make different dishes. So in case, so he'll be free to eat. So that's why I dedicated that yesterday. So I did not get all the details correctly. Now, as you can read the headline of this, if you want me to see your comments, I'm on my woto, woto for life, no grief for anybody. That is where I can read your comments, but you can also stay in the other. I don't know when and then on the other page the other day. When I don't see you, it's like mother on the other wall or you can't hear the person, so it doesn't matter. It's like somebody on a page, somebody on a page, I block you, I don't follow you, so you can see that you are useless. See me. So if you want to challenge me or if you want to challenge these courts, all you need to do be able to, because if I'm not seeing you, you don't exist. If I can't hear you, you don't exist. You are just a fool. So if you want me to read, if you want to challenge me or insult me, be able to, that's it. Court also stated that there is, you can read it down from exactly what happened in the courts. So what tomorrow give you Shawara then give first information, because Shawara is a writer, he's a politician as well. So they can also come in and state and lie all manner of stuff. So you as I'm a blog, and I don't care. I will just state things the way it is. After I will explain these pictures here. Udele is urged to bring out people's picture and people's family picture. But how I got this picture is amazing, because this picture he never posted it on his line. On his plot. So you can see that I will explain the thing. Does not have jurisdiction to trial. Hence the matter is pending before the Federal High Court. The appropriate thing to be done is to proceed with arrangement and substantial whatever. So now let me give you the full details about the court case. Emma Shawara can lie. He thought I'm playing. All his lawyers, also like, I'm maybe the remaining charge and bail. First and foremost, Showere is the person who is doing fundraising, who is using his platform to raise money for Udele. But Showere, you will run out of option. Trust me. Case. I know you came out yesterday. You were telling people that Guinea was strike out. Think was all these things we are strike out. What made Udele still remain that place? All these things are strike and you see why all of you guys are gullible. It's easy to manipulate majority of you. These ones are strike, these ones are strike. Some people should be asking some intelligent questions. Remember okay, let's assume. Let's just take it like a strike. Did you guys remember case Mazen Nandekano na strike then strike Ofu or 2 charges we had Mazen Nandekano wrote today. Let's take it as that. A strike anka. Let's assume that is the truth. But to get it Mazen Nandekano to the Opotabe. How many cases, how many charges can strike in Eli Mazen Nandekano and he's still there? That we have. Do you guys ask questions and reason at all? Let's assume a strike Allah as many as they claim that they have strikes. Does it matter? One charge is when they keep going for 20 or 30 years. Awemaro, ima get your Sorry, get your in we get you, we gonna to you bury him. Yanabia, Yana to you bury him, and so, I strike a goody 1 million charges. 1 or 2 when they keep talking that. Are you aware? Oh, because of that 1 or 2. Let's strike a line here. She will be about goon. But that 1 or 2 Gia there. Game me again. Gachuba yana la hekure yana nkwa. Geti pia ya bo. You know, I don't see him. Okay, honey, there is no way out of Udele. Is Ampara Goku believe woya? There is no way out of Udele. So anybody where they cry, I know that from there's some woman nobody is even listening. They're very silent. They are asking me Ogechi. You guys, I like Remo women. You know, I'm not getting Ishi. I'm going to make a short maybe. As you're looking at it now, Udele is not coming out anytime soon. Now, let me know the full detail. Guys, share this me and my Facebook with all these they are surprising thing. No, Facebook. I don't know app no matter like no. I can't app. I can't. Please share and Facebook and suppress is using. No, I don't know what is happening. So because share. You know, can you know the full information? Each no information, way detailed information. Call me, I will answer you. Listen to me. Now, this picture here, you can see that beautiful girl. She's very pretty. I'm not gonna dispute that. Udele towaran neime. Happen this child, Balaga. Maya should send. Don't worry, very soon I'll be playing Udele's mother voice notes. Even if time is not taken, I'm going to raise the woman ego. Udele mechage. Even if time is not taken now, you got video by Bugara, the woman arise. The woman is suffering. Agwu. The woman is suffering. As I'm talking to you now, Agwu. That this is the father's lifestyle. But empire with technology on Facebook. But the woman is the one that is very cool. The woman is the best. Do you know that Udele Lotara according to Maya? I can play a voice here when is it time to play the voice. The woman Udele batara egonde mado to taraha for burial Udele called the woman in the money. Do you know that? Udele beat up this woman. Gianni don't worry, I got apogage. Udele munukachagi. Munukachagi. When your case may be to other people. Mukakamno. Imemu. Let me Ndi Igbo na ato, Ndi Igbo na ashe. Wa agbere di amenvo. Me agbere me gene gbara ya. Wa agbere di amenvo. Me agbere di gbara ya. And the guys they ho shino motula. Ama anu otula. Ntama gi Ishi. Ma ba ma abubara Ishi gi. Tama pa Ishi pa ma re papa ma lie sinogi Ishi. And we him gaso. Agama bagagi baragi mo panage. Am I the home mepa or you brina jocham me am the blood? Yes. Because when you want to fight Udele, actually ke putake beleke in telegram gonna no put less useless man. Okay, two put less useless man in Ishi very soon. Nobody, all of you, banana boy, will go cut free. Onu nega no tanya. Onye shika oburi. Pikin we say mama no go sleep, no go kukuma sleep. You want to go? And that should be apuru no dela. Onu weni ke apuru no dela. Where are you guys? Ke hu no ne kusina. Udele is a king of a lion. Udele is a king. Very soon he got badia. And he might him like about one badi ojakara worst. Very soon you go enter. Now you inside there you go the day they praise Udele. Go and write today. No, but like he get to wear down. Man always certainty. Man at all he get many, no be talk. So all this propaganda information. You what guys because share on this program Facebook you know or now spread this information you're not suppress or this thing is what we are everybody. It's not even only me. When the robot in a select, I don't know what is going on. You know, so because the favor you will do for me anyway, you know, because you can share button. It's the information. Authentic. You know, I am listening now. As the headline of this thing. Oh, we are with the authentic. Oh, we are with the information. Shawari is covering his shame because they are losing the battle. Now, ma call again. Can play a video de la. Play this video. Mana kawaragi the meaning of those videos. Na kawaragi those people no chat at the back. They are DSS police officers that is on uniform. They are not on their uniform, on uniformed secret services. In there, their client is send the channel. I'm a wagilizing. Share the yesterday can be after the program can be best. Be a map of lawyers are involved. I be detail what I mean here. And the J Park, let me correct you for something. What I go? Biko, let me correct you. I guess Nebuka Obidam there. Please stop that statement. Stop that statement. Tatu regeze happy people confuse and false information. Tatu regeze. Okay? Ebuka Obi na Accusations. Aga no chogo deka lion. God there with a glory no another person. It's not possible. Ebuka Obi na Accusations. Especially Ako. Aga no chogo deka lion. Get with a glory no ozo. Aga hapuru Ishi bowalo tula ajo. Despite that Otula is part of the body thing, Aga hapuru Ishi bowalo tula ajo. I have to be honest with you. I have to be honest. What's your statement? Because on social media are looking for a place to hold hand. I saw somebody commenting it on my comment section. Neshi, Ebuka be happy go. No. Anom na woto. Anom na woto. Please, my God, please share them program. People need to hear the way you could share them program. Because that's where I am. Hello there. Salome nyebe ke we joku Again, any other, what's the name? To convince me. Where you die there for what? To confuse me, or to conceive me, or to confide me, or to combine me, or to come to me. It's not possible. Ebuko belo chogu nyenya di glory do da kolo chogu nyenya keep on working. If you mean, even if other people are bringing their petition, who made it possible? Give honor who is honor is due. You want to go? No twist talk. Zion will move. Zion I fly. So no they talk like that. You cannot threaten my brother. Mado, let me correct you on that thing. And when you hear Deka, I would defend myself, even in the Bible. Onya mere threat na ege bupo biko bi Ishi na ege eri ya buo ya kamado. So Ebukobi has to defend himself. It doesn't matter who call him, whatever they call. It doesn't matter. The young man is already made. The grace is to pursue all. And we can metea. The only real man of God in Nigeria, go and verify. Pure. All the real 100%. Other ones to the parallel, but have the chance 100%. Yes. Who is this? Hello? Hello? If you call me again and hang up, I will block your destiny. These useless people, maybe the maybe they like you know, they don't like to hear my voice. If you try I will block you. You want to go? So the bottom line is Ishi is only Oshishi. One place. You feel me? Nani Oshishi one place. So anybody that from tomorrow, he's made. His grace is too sophisticated. You can't dilute it. It's undiluted grace. So na people not to call him ahojo. Boy ahojo, you collect it. You call your generation, collect them, you collect them. You collect them. Period. So awuhu onya lochogo de ka yeri endo de ka he fought like a many thousands that could not achieve. Thankful of an eye echo complete the movement. So no dogwa ho kweshereza. That is because people with a low IQ, they will divert it to another way. Here you not sharing on Facebook and where she's okay. Grace is beyond grace. All these men of God and then we take their petition now. We able to tackle what before Ebukobi. Able to tackle what before Ebukobi. So why are you guys now with a grace or the pride or one? I disagree on that. I disagree on it. Now, can be play the video? Can call you in a court? Are you following me? Are you there? If you're following me, share yes, you're playing. As it is sweet to me, independent. Okay, really wicked. Udele nwa ime hapu ya balaga. Fine baby, lenu nwa the baby lenu pore. Geru ebiruru kwa mage nara mage go the little one is save like your mother. Udele ga ta hoho. Mage nobody should release you. Even that ngahe no the best. Nangahe no is the best thing for you. A mother question in a bar panari on the court is telling the court to keep that idiot there. Now how do we do? I know her dear. Now how do we get that? Guys, Tigaramaka, Facebook should I zuru ya chibon ugiri gene nwambada je ulu ugiri sha ya ge lala nwambada sha ya sorry igiri sha ya ge tada nwambada sha ya ge megena ya ge lala until ye shi elu da nwambada ji obi o ma ya menene la. Now let me tell you what happened na this video. Let's go there. Kaigan Udele. Kaigan because na shiano, don't hesitate. Yeah, I know here to tell the world that Aronya Amere the day of reckoning. Reckoning or that reckoning. Nah, it is here the happy Udele. I'm a Belgian. Majority of people that came to court yesterday that they are under the later. I just come getting you today. Are you ready for the gist? Udele, nobody can arrest me. Nobody can arrest me. We apologize to the gentle public for this very act of nuisance. The poster is one of our medical patients that escape. Come on, get out of here. Come on, she got voice. Come public to go back to their various business. Come on, get out of here, son. Take a gift for here. Block out nigga. Mako waru ni here mene here. Bono na video. Belitolu. When are these men? Majority of these men on uniform. They were sent to their people. They were sent by their people. Here people who petition. Police officers in under uniform. Oh, sorry, under ununiformed. Here police officers say uniform. They, you know that because they are major every day they come to court. You know why? Because had petition, their various units sent them that a release Udele, a may arrest. And as I say Kebane a movie. And I'm na woto. On a make a movie. On your wall petition done in home are representing one petitioner. Are representing one tough man of God or individuals who they are humiliated on social media with their lies. Nda will secret undercover police officers. Some of them are DSS. People that were highly paid to rearrest Udele as soon as they release here. So Udele will not see the daylight anytime soon. And all these petitions were all granted. So anybody a bail now, they will rearrest Udele in a minute. Do you understand what I'm saying? Or do I have to repeat myself? If you give Udele bail now, Udele had to be rearrested instantly. That will undercover police officers. Did I make myself clear? Maybe you did not understand. Am I making sense? Emana ana agwa nwebu chia jiri nwayo. Anne ya wumana job be found mo ya wuji honpo. But iman amoya ya na eme ten ana chia jiri nwayo ukwu ga kabaka ngi wuji okwu nwe ejila no nante until ya wuji ha no okwu ya na ya anachari wuye ji nwayo until okwu aka ya. Let me replay the video. Did you capture what I said? Hello? I greet you special, my beauty one, Yoma. You will try him meaning. Now, let me replay the video again. Let me watch a lot of the video. Thoughts. A lot of people that, a lot of people have video. A lot of people not there not. A lot of people came. Why is the people? Can you many people gather in that place? And which are they off from out? Egani me court. People jureju. Why are they there? Is Udele celebrity? Hell no. We are there for a mission. They were there for a mission. All of them came there for a mission. And when you're not there being there with Udele, it's not a silly man. We are not viewing Udele for anything. I'm a messed up person. You know, not only the town. And what be happening? Oh, Ikataya. Yagabaze Konya or on Tunike. You know what Jagaga? Udele ne Takola Nyobo. Udele cannot call up anymore. Udele Nagasika one paper and a nearly. One paper. Eh? Udele was it the strength to knock. Eh? You know what? Game me, baby. Beyond the law, you did. I got to make you information. Couldn't delete. Eh? Hey, man, on deceive. Not deceive all these gullible moves. Udele more pop because how many calories is self? Okay, so when you get 90. At least you get what that is. And now this is that mountain. Now this is a mountain. Okay, now turn by turn. Turn by turn. Turn by turn. Now turn by turn. Now, can play area the video so you will sight it very clearly. In my video is like landing on my home. It's particular this video. And when he wasn't passing, okay, please show us the boxing. I come out to tell you about the video on the hotel. I don't land from JPAC comedy page. Violence between Portable and the very dark brain. Are you serious? Eh? How do we? Are you serious? Eh? Scammer. Who is this? PC. Uchenna. In your fake account, okay, or real account. Huh? Okay, could scam? I don't understand. Okay, leave that comment. She weren't talking to you. Okay, okay. So, Udele, my darling. About they give $100. They ought to Google. Hey, up the Google. See where your boyfriend is. Oh, the Google. He's supposed to bring money, honey. Bring money, honey. You remember when you was giving or when you are still giving? Udele $100 to come and fight people getting outside. Yeah, where is Bleacher? Udele, darling. DPO no, where she get more? 2019. Bleacher made a call when she was still. Okay, Udele, yes, so chief pilots. Bleacher made a call to Udele. The DPO she get more. Udele na angulu. Udele. DPO, Udele Rigalande Mugu. I think these people was continue to be Mugu until they pane. Udele, she from Udele. Mugu. Can it be anywhere? From Ken, a war funda tagara Mugu. How Ogechi go enter Kuje? I will care for where the drunkard, the drug, or the drug addict, and I will I got a 50 years old man, and more confused than a 2-year-old boy. Very useless Igbo man. Like a panuru. Ida busu teleri hamugu when Udele was Istanbul. Na ga bu gechinga. 2019, Udele was conducting a program. Bleacher had to call him. Here, that the DPO want your number immediately. How Udele go send the Mecca tunga? Udele you and I in a Mekonye Busu Gazimengana. You see how life is? Fight me and be fucked up. Oh, the coga happen to dog happen tomorrow. Your life will never remain the same. Believe it or not. Bleacher, Orube season Ijapute again. You got to come out, oh. You got to come out. Orube Mijaputa. Inda Rigitaneshi Panaka Okoto. Look at it. Carry on Malaysia. Abagamgo, a deport warrior on Nigeria now. And I'm sure even Iri reserve. Count all these useless men, how their life will become messed up. In that fight, Ogechi is still progressing day by day. Wait. You will all of okay, can I tell you the truth about that police case with you? Because tell me, Chief Pilot or their president, their woman leader. Chief Pilot with their woman leader. Tell me, onye shirini, onye agụ pụtara n'ime ọkụ mmụọ ya nọzie na paradise. Chief Pilot knows na paradise na-emezi enjoy. Na dine is with the dynasty. Dine is here with the high hierarchies. Okay, peace, my sister had you know hala. You want to go? People will enter that Olulu. It doesn't matter how many years the Olulu can swallow. Tell the last Zuzu. Now, Ebuko be war. Now, everybody war. Now, until ye put up on near, shall walk on, she ain't take each other for la gola. I may use every means, every little opportunity to deal with you. And I did it. I brought the idea, I pushed the idea. Yeah, walk or yeah, bank. All of you. None of you will go scot-free. Unless the only thing you get, I will not revenge on all of you. Then I must pay back. Lie. Udele is that's it. Udele will be here. Listen, watch him nabagi ukewe joku. Say anybody that will tell you wait, don't worry, Udele, you go same way. You know this? Not these people. They are there for a mission. They set a all of them. Pay attention to Udele. Pay attention to his present condition. Pay attention to his present condition. The Bible endre. Tipalot nnem join am otu nnem o. To nnem aza. That's what
so can't turn the camera around, can't pull outside. Okay, what's the camera give? I'm also can't turn it because I'm not there.
Okay.
No, but that's okay. I'll go outside. This is that police case of a thing, right? Let me tell you what happened. Ijele didn't have Akuko to go back. All this while, I don't want to talk about the guy because I told him to stop. Then, what did I made him peace and again and all that. So, Ijele, Joya one thing, see, okay, now this police are now contact now. Oga kwanu na oga Nigeria, o si na why oge ji aga na Ebuka and Edwin. Na oga motivate ha ka ha je represent. So then I now thought twice that okay, you that is the pioneer, you're asking for laptop because apparently ma kwa maka that laptop. Ebuka bira bo me bubo. Na mu na maazi na ego laptop and all that. And you know one thing I know one thing. Ebuka and learn things. Because this case now got caught Mr. Obi now. Can I give one thing? Only one lady been at UK. Ahaya will chi something. This and all has to send in a bokwamu war. Now, every time you put her picture and her real name and her UK number. That period, Ebuka contact with the lady. Obianyem number the lady, na call the lady. The lady asked him na ni ha nwere one human rights lawyer na ha ga-eweta ego. That's okay. And eweta ego maka gini na mwa I don't mean interested and all that. So Mazimotu Hajiri Meze about that human rights. Think they her real name and her picture in my all the very close to Dato, Sharon Dato. Because that time when I Sharon Dato, we only one year for on no. Na ba na why in Jada na ba na mjana ko akwarumu prince and all that. Oh no, you care about a single mother too. So Miss Hazie that one also because that would have been another ethics for us to be scammed. Because the first time mgbe Ijele si ga eweta ego na oge ama poster oge mee nke amadị m na because that time I go na their group but anything else mụnwa made that time mụnwa na-eme and I try me get in touch with the other people. So at the end of the day I'm not jokola azụ ọnọkwa another group general ego like that nwoke this group. Oh yeah, one year number ka adịam na that group asị ka ejite oge na arụzi mgbe a bịa chọpụta ha na-aga mụ agba ọsọ ama agba ọsọ si na anyị na-eme ihe dibịa mgbe aka mabiri atie mkpu si biko Ogechi ụkwa nwanne anyị o na ihe ọ gaghị ekwekwa ka Ogechi nwa abịa na ha abịa na group nọ na-abara mma na-aba na-echo igbu ama n'ọda na-akparị ya so after that Ijele mbịajụọ ya si okay this case or same iya na aga Nigeria na the case of case ya Mr. Obi or family ọkwa ka na hype. Let me tell you one thing people don't understand. Now all kind of hype ka ọ na-adịkwa ka na-eme. Now you're hearing from the horse's mouth because I have the voice notes that he left to us because of this thing. You understand? Now corner hype, even more on a prince or say that's the only way now. Kind hype. Not knowing that you are Jena as well as na ego. Now see not me poster. No the guy the whole poster. Now na Abuja, no the main car. You understand? If we move out to 20 months and actually the petition for Benko's or to Google's auto. More of the 25,000 no. Benko will take 20,000. I was even the one that brought the highest there, no. The rest, ego, Abia Fozebe 30 something or how much? Or like 5,000 hat or KGJ, Koemeka here, Mahabira will take Jineke up. What we are losing on hand need 200 to go and mobilize police. That time I know they with them again now. Hanina Akusa. I'm saying that Chichi won't Maltesha, do all these things that without Chichi, people cannot do anything. So let them go back to that's why they now re-strategize and then came back. Make sure they have their follow out and now fell out with Benko. But make sure they have their so cool. But then see okay, let me carry Benko along. You understand? But the man not brothers any amount they are ready to bring. They are going to do this. When you don't reach the real deal, they don't get shikim because I come like 100,000 kg bubo. Now it's come they mad 100,000. Now we tell their aunties 100,000. I got that. And now go game. Okay, we will don't worry. Just relax. We'll make sure we bring her down. We are suing her. They're going to take all the money. Okay, one day he got the submission at 100K. The guy she get out, she gonna see My comment section on them mad they chara. Why in Chris court or everything just na court. Man they let me say no can you care more was na matinyere. Man they laugh. I don't see am. Now they pushed me for road where I was going to walk. Oh yeah, why in home. Okay, let me leave that one. Even for you could do Ijele. See, I was with Ijele. I was with him as in I knock on her phone. Maka, this justice of a thing. Unfortunately, Ebuka brought him into this mess because he didn't want to. But Ebuka, all the Ebuka so could have bad luck because anybody, all the quotation the mother, or the
the guy now.
Yes, all you
the
notice
kind of force to this anybody on the Allah, messed up.
Yes, because at the end of the day,
this guy, because if I met this guy, you'll never tire. Now my program. That was when I started having issues.
Yes, because at the end of the day, this case,
that guy is cost.
because I was say with go this guy everywhere that's any way go na nka no so na the thing of ka aga court ka oge shi no we ka Mr. Bi na ya makwa chaize na ya makwa na this thing gonna take it like this and all that ani man all am be na sin ko ya na obuka na all back okwa down that means na okwa ya maka ya oge shi gesu kwa another a lot of money so you make the guy ji na hang on there. So for Ijele zone, the truth of the matter is this. Let me tell people, Ijele that time on a mono, I get me nka na Ijele money a na-ekwu onwekwagi ike ni ike ọkpakwa onwekwagi connection. Nke ọ pụtara that time osi na aga ga-etinye poster, aga manzu poster, aga etinye ihe ogechi everywhere. Ndị machekwa na enwekwara anyị nwere big people that can do action. Man elenu ka any poster ka ego nyekwara na ya so chọrọ ije mee poster wetin happen amam na the guy man no there na aga iwu onwe ya na interview. You understand? So the moral of this thing I want to say is this. I've been with Ijele wu onye na-atụ ụjọ but ọ pụta na now that's a lie for me knocker or the strong, but in actual sense he's not, because if Ijele could tell me Benjuri I say okay na ọbụkwa na asịkwanụ alọta mgbe ahụ si ka aga brekete it's okay if they say they should not come back kwanụ or see Edwin na Ebuka will go now nakwa case ha akwa askamrụ askamrụ onye a askamrụ Mr. Obi askamrụ Edwin so all ha na-abụ ga-ala from Germany na ha ji akwụkwọ na ya nwere akwụkwọ. You understand? And that is why he ran into trouble in Turkey with IPOP members. And then have their fight make sure na all that. And they say for na obuzo no na detention na this thing no we go jala go ticket relax. So I was thinking now okay stop here. If you notice I no come they know anything about her. Even when I say Ijele speaks I know they go there not because of anything, because I just wanted all those things to stop. Now the case of Ken again, because see one thing people don't understand, after 4 years Ijele now is finding himself in this mess. After 4 years Ken is finding himself in this mess. Is this not a sign that they need to stop and refocus on something very tangible? Because they're still on the same one thing. They are following one course, but they are not even successful on the course. You understand? Like somebody coming out to say that they strike the page. Ijele is out. They strike the case. Now, striking a case is different from being acquainted. If his case was struck, where are the proofs? Like I said, Njoro Hasia, only video. Get the evidence, get the written documented. Did he bring out those things to come and show that this is what was said? Just like Ijele brought out his EFCC letter, an invitation. Did he actually come and say that, okay, this is what happened, this is the reason why they are reprimanding him? The police, the court actually struck his case and said that they did not find him anything and all that. But this guy did not come up with all those things. He just came to pass by word of mouth. There is no evidence. And again, if the case was struck out, was he acquainted to say you're free to go? So the public need to see that. Because I hate when people who are not educated come out to address the public and they're not giving them factual. the truth, and then that makes their followers and themselves, they are also idiots. So yes, can work in Ijele that time gra call me. I did with them now. Don't forget say even all the carry say I get belly for them. Say anyway, can help you get on your program. So that's what I wanted to say. I won't get nothing.
That is very, very important. You know why? You know why it's actually
Yes.
in my on our things name. You sit down and analyze it. Do you know who put Udele into this mess? Is Ebuka. Do you know who
Yes.
put you into this mess? Is Ebuka. Do you know who
Yes.
all these fools, some intelligent fool, why he cannot come out to show his face? Is Ebuka. Do you know?
Yes, because since before I was even, before I was even reached out to her, sorry for interrupting.
This guy is dealt with family courts. He's
And again, that chichi something na go working I got short is but fire. On on my the other phone. We speak to ya. Oh, when I put all that person to us I got put a human rights lawyer so that they will write that they will need money. Man, I see here. Yeah, I can make that's why I need another money.
How useless majority of, sorry to use this word, majority of you guys were then. You guys want
I am okay. I am not part of them. Oh. My own
majority
was
of you guys were then. Eh?
excluding me.
Now listen, you
Excluding me.
has no money to make case, but he's depending on all of you.
But no. See, okay. He actually convinced even this. Let me tell you something. Ebuka told Olamma that any amount that he's ready to bring, I'm telling you, that's what he said.
Let
I
me tell
swear.
you one thing. That useless Ebuka, this useless thing, Ebuka, this hopeless thing. In my name, when one time I was raising money for one lady like that. In my Ebuka had to that lady's impulse. Ghana and I without bringing money.
Okay, Ebuka, I'm that girl in America now.
Now bring money. You see that guy? You see that hope? That guy is
See, the girl, that girl now got go America now. Oh, we won't get no America now. Or the girl.
I'm call. I'm call Lebanon. Lebanon.
Lebanon, care for that one. I wasn't those so hard to Google her now. Chimamanda. Oh, chaha. Any some their voice notes now. Iye butere kumo na oge shemo. Abi akwara anyi. You know that they look all this super, they laugh.
Very useless thing. Wash this girl, useless. You will not die well.
Okay, mama about one child. To be honest, about mama about one child.
Is it not the going to have a look piano? One on your boss. Oh, what we
But I'm not the one kita, so it can only ya.
how many days? Oh, I want to
That time I hope you see overall kaya like yes. Obviously we take go is us now get with any amount. Now anything it will cost. As long as no get cheap come, and it's here scatter. Yes, I say I will make sure Gechi go down. Ọkọmuka Ogechi karịrị. Ọkọmuka si nne m garụ. I will make sure.
Another person. I'll believe a video. Na believe a rebado.
Mba ifu na ọ gwekwara that ọ gwekwara ya sị na akwa Chichi that's Geraldine bi Chichi London si na nne m ga-anwụ. I will do. Okay, this saga, I don't resign. No, I want to create my content.
Very useless.
Ijele. Oh, yeah, that time now from Istanbul, I am to withdraw myself from him. From after Uncle Sam that thing. Nigeria, no Nigeria, open the thing got through. No Buka and doing call send the Kahaga. So after he said that thing, I withdrew myself from him. Since then, you understand? Because when you hear some comments Madu make, it just I told what game was okay, give up also because anything that kita, I be say okay, you were there, him and you say, you know what? Me, Chebi, I don't pay my own dues, I don't go courts. And they see they drag me. So that's part of my due. Anyway, but everybody go spend. We saw these people after now, then go
Hey,
spend.
Jesus.
Anyway,
All right,
can't put in
bye.
there.
Thank you. Take care.
Okay,
Bye.
dear, bye.
Hey, chief pilot lay. Hey, Chineke nna. I hope all of you guys aga bachananga before Facebook close down. Because the way things are going, I'm seeing all of you guys end up inside Nga. I'm seeing all of you end up inside Nga. Because I will meet Kuku. And I'm up na abata or wacha. More na pop na abata. Okay, gee. Udele. So those people you saw in courts are ready to rearrest that thing. Your man. That cartoon who no backup, who no foundation, who nobody that was okay. Lenunde nda boki who de shibo nda usapa ego nda boki na puta na lenu ha. No wonder just adanyege shaworo inside because what shaworo na who is speaking for the datum. Everybody are waiting to rearrest Udele. So you thinking Udele is coming out soon? You are my dear. All this domaka kiburi bought wine. Can yourself. Imi all this my pigs. I know here. Na koeri. It's not broken. Udele is broken. It is not broken. Now I would draw China the ask strike China the thing. Don't worry, no charges. In due time, Udele before you conquer what is about to fall on you. I couldn't go the headline of this. Udele, see you're coming out, you are being rearrested. Mgbe anyị gbachara gị gburu then anyị pikizie the remaining 4 enwe ke ga-ala free next time ịhụ n'ebe a na-akpọ buka ga-agbagamachi nwoke na ibe ya wụ n'ọnụ nwoke na ibe ya ha n'ọnụ nwaanyị na ibe ya ha kwa n'ọnụ gamana na o nwere odogwu less. You go collect all the crime, all the people you've been tormenting on social media for years. Time to put an end to it is now. And then Buka has done what Ndi Igbo couldn't do. You know my back on a comment section. Come back to come back to Nigeria. Now when Udele was in Istanbul. Come back to Nigeria. We will deal with you. Go get back to the airport. I'm the majority of you guys who will come me. Oh, you know, and that will be because you guys are not competent enough to handle what men in a man. I'm just saying, Odogu carried Odogu. Odogu carried Odogu. Uncle Unetima. Okay, majority of you guys, only capture no one. Ijele no more because all the easiest thing to capture all this mini. And the majority of them are drunkards. Get it done, young man finish the bagger. And when you get more they are messed up. Majority of them are working at one money man. And wait, like a keke when you cool it. Otum again here. He gonna home pro granite. Mpuro granite, mpuro cashew. Cashew and hopaleka. Mpuramu. Leka. Taba. Yedi ya got la pia for you okay. Majority of them are useless. Unko kepa nuro. Yedi ya no got la pia ya. Osu. Taba. But I shimmy and be. You are a jaya. Who you okay, papa? Who could over? Tell me something. Hold on. No, I'm here. I didn't get teacher on those book. Or the possible. Eh? Or a possible. Each teacher on those book. Now, because of what you begin, who shape of ammo game web on her, just shape of ammo game ammo granotes. Yeah? Daddy, please allow me to commit sin right now. I got to commit sin at this moment. Because evangelist Ebuka, please, we're praying on this one I'm about to say. Not keep again, but again, that Russian. At least I have what I'm for now. That Russian. Because I don't know the time I get one. Get put on my car, won't keep again. I will give me river. I what? At that jargon. Then, how many did you get on there? Can I eat this? Oh, okay, one. Okay, nwoke abụ nwoke nke waku akpọ nwoke ya wuru nwoke abụ nwoke ya wuru nwoke tekwana ha ụmụ nwoke amụ granotes. Look at them, see them. Nwoke ba uru men without no Udele amụ granotes. None of them are weak. I got make sure you buy him. But they are gonna that appear. They are weaker vessels. I think a panuru. You okay? Kahun bo give me and I call ya Urako. Equal she will again go. Equal shall get a polo powder, but that is the truth. That is the fact. And a which is the truth. All the women are not here. Edomaka Riki Giweni. Edomaka Riki Giweni in Hile March. Edomake na. Bamki Gi Prani. Very messed up people. And if we have work, and we keep Panuru. Udele na amaliga for we are. Nobody guards me for this, Nigeria. Nobody. Kukumba, thank you. Favor. Kukumba. And look at Bogwimia. What can he bear her no? What can he bear her no? What can he bear her no? And na koeri ikwashe we aga egbuo inewe amma na egbu shonya mgbagage eziokwu. So nobody should be coming out giving you you na to one eje egwu na nke Udele ka ha onu ya nani ho ma wu ya ti go onu ya nwo nwanyi o clitoris nwanyi jiri pa na shape onu ya cause won evangelist agbala umu nwoke anwu mana wakpo anwu mana okpu still That's idiot. Kano in English. Bia generally unne telegram. Bia generally unne telegram. Cheme shake picture. Maybe you don't understand who I'm talking about. Where is that? That's it. Where is him? Kebono. May she get what I'm saying. Come on. The choir here. The choir no here. The choir free here. This is who I'm talking about. That is him. The choir. Get a corrotan. Okoyala is broken or is not broken. On any some ewu's hope where there is no hope.
One of my brother,
The choir. The choir.
Please,
The choir. The choir will be one or one. The choir I know here.
I have a question to ask.
Get me out.
There was an important call coming in, but under the call. So basically, people, what is happening is no longer a surprise. You know, the king of the game is fine. It's in good spirit.
It's not broken.
And basically, you know, they've taken their RNG from their business center, pit bandits, has taken his RNG to the judiciary system. But then he's going to fall like a pack of cards.
Okay.
Now, the question people I want to ask is this. I'm not a lawyer, but at least I can read the
We have taken our RNG to the court. We agree. Now the RNG we go use you. Now the RNG will show you Pepe. I get shiki part 2 na part 3. I got no time. Unebewebe. Una go explain criteria. Make we dey listen to Okembi. Be like Ranya Baneya. Very useless idiot. You know how telegram Ijele unegi. Arima telegram Ijele unegi chineke progono. Go and call your partner of crime. Ijele unegi biale unne no dia. Just less man. Taking the RNG. Lotan come and see Udele. On a hand, le babonare oporoko. Chakon learn in few days. BPM who ya go 2 things because more things are coming. Imagine I'm the clue. Because it's about to happen. Listen to Mugu.
Now the question I'm asking is this. Can a matter before magistrate or 2 run concurrently in a magistrate court level? If there are lawyers in the house, I need some answers, please.
Mugu, you know them those your charge and bear lawyer to ask. Why are you asking us? We don't know. Oh, here was the question and answer situation. Can it run concurrently? We don't know which one is concurrently. If they want to find out, take a flight. Hello? Take a flight and go to Nigeria and go and ask the magistrates. Your mugu is beyond comprehension. Your stupidity is your and I join you and you should the committee crime. And I join you who if you ask us who you go don't charge and bear lawyer. Couldn't you go inside and answer them? Couldn't you go in there and answer them? I ask you. Couldn't you go in there, take a flight and go and answer them? In a journey.
Because this is to tell you how unspeakable, how filthy, how dirty.
How dare
And it's for us.
How dare Who is requested to join? So now, how dare there is a how do How do? How do? How do? We don't know the
Now, everybody knows that a matter was instituted for the magistrate court against Chukwu Gofebu, popularly known by his social media handle as Ijele Speaks. This matter has been running since 21st. First, let me make it clear.
Now the thing they enter. The man is now explaining, telling to the world, we need your sympathy. Oh Lord, we need your sympathy. These people have conquered. How do? How do? How do? Concretely, how do? Because we how do you are? How do?
On the 21st, the magistrate court sheet,
explanation.
Ijele Speaks, was never arraigned. They took him to an empty court. Sometime around almost 6 p.m. Nigerian time, a court clerk walked out from behind with the first remand with a false name. Ijele opposed it. Few minutes, he emerged again with another name, the name Chukwu Gofebu. And now, this is a magistrate court that never sat. But somehow, the magistrate, from the comfort of his home, produced a remand order. Now, for those of us who are lawyers or those who know better than I do, within the Nigerian law, can a magistrate issue a remand order when the suspect was never arraigned? This is something I need to know.
Because who will answer this? Who will answer this question? Because who will answer this question? Who is answer this question? Because please, I need an answer. I need an answer. Everybody, he's arranging. He took arranging to court. What can he bear? No. Now I'm asking you, when Udele was busy threatening with stones and fire, where were you? When Udele was busy threatening people, now they're ready to face whatever comes his way. Now, all this question now you are throwing at us. Eh? All this thing now you're throwing at us. Who do you want us to send it to? Udele was busy threatening people. Female bam, I will call DSS. I remember when Okurora case started, Udele gave them assurance. I will call DSS. I will call FBI. I will call Wanine. And you guys were there, especially you. Every time that useless thing, the Ghana conduct program, you are always there to clap for them. All this question now, why are you asking us? Now today, you know how Nigeria did. Udele say he got money, he got connection here. Let him use his connection, let him use his money, and they do. If Ebuko be rearrange, let Udele rearrange. Oh, Jamon okay. Mbereke Jamadi can Mbereke Denny Dike. Mbereke Jamadike and Mbereke Denny Dike. Why are you crying? Are you guys manless? Are you guys not man enough? Are you guys no longer the man that we used to know? Now, pane ginger with the fire. Ikabulono. I'm more than I will be good 7 days in Benegin and Nagamonoge. It's the same way you be able to be a cool. Are you guys not okay? And when he gave me, are you not telling us to do fucking what? The same Udele supported everything the Nigerian government we are doing to Nnamdi Kanu. Udele told you that it's not all the Nigerian government okay. Now, why are you complaining with the same judiciary that Udele supported for years? Hello? And somebody tell this in me that only 3 hotel. Because I wouldn't hear you hotel now you know when to stop. The same judiciary system that you and Udele supported that they are doing marvelously well. Why are you now? The reverse has become the case. You are not complaining. Is it not the same judiciary system? When Nnamdi Kanu and co complain how Nigerian government we are maltreating their case, Udele will stand down with his full chest and be telling us that Nigerian government is doing well. Nigerian government did it the right way. No, the same system is not judging you the same way. You said it's the right thing to do. Why are you complaining? Are you okay? Are you really okay? Is it okay? Something no. And I have something no. Something. Allah. You are crying like a baby that throwing a tantrum when you drink the bottle. No, something and shut up. No, you have shown Chineka or no. The same measure. You sat there for years. Udele sat there. You joined Udele and alive, okay? 24/7. Clapping, supporting that the judiciary system is the best. Ah. Come on, shut up. Deal with it. Are you not a man? You said Udele is fighting for. Let me tell you, Nelson Mandela fought for Ndebe Noranga for many years. Let Udele fight for Nde. Fight the for Ejoku. Only spend the year, but as they are the king. One or Chadi Aputa the den and you say the crown. But then no pay la dues. Pay. Ah, come on. Come on, baby. Let's listen.
This is something I need to know. Now, fast forward. Yesterday, when 2 days ago, this same God of man sent his compromised police officers to the Kirikiri Correctional Center. They tried to bully him of the game into signing a document which he vehemently refused because that is against his human rights. This is someone who is in custody. Any document that needs to serve him needs to go through the right channel, which are his lawyers. He said he's not going to sign any document. And so he did not sign it. Now, while the magistrate court too was still sitting on this matter, even if it's obvious that the magistrate court lacks the jurisdiction on this case.
Okay. So now, lawyers take notes. Now they have already started accusing the Nigerian magistrate courts, the one and only good magistrate court. They have now started accusing that you guys should take notes. The supporter, the 5 and 6, Udele. Video now, because Udele and his cohorts are the one passing information to him because he stays in England. Take a note. So this video needs to be downloaded and saved for future references. You guys may not utter word, but Ginny brain Udele there. Udele, any paper on actually sign, you sign because you be zombie. At this time, you have no choice. Choice, gamma pelagia. You want rights. As it is now, you are finished. You are actually sign who you sit down there. You want a choice to refuse. You refuse, so you can't like job. You can't sign your way. So you are in the midst of shed. And you're not giving all a sign. I don't know why you guys are crying. Guys, because you go to the men that who are they explaining to? Nah, make me the
Approach magistrate of the level. To go and get another RNG. Remand order.
So, une Burukwala RNG statement that led Udele to court. You have started accusing the court's judiciary system that they are doing RNG. You have started again, oh. Yeah, that led Udele. Started accusing an honorable judge that he is doing RNG. Be warned. Be very warned. Pity again a wanted list. Oh, when you return, a burugo, stop accusing our judge. Oh, he's doing what he's supposed to do. Take order from the judge, or you bear the consequences. Why are you guys crying? Why are you not crying? The same copy kunye people mini gina any okay for years is the company of page in kunye and you're saying that mini no na test God, you are liar. You drink the drink.
TV second. Most of us are crying that the politicians are corrupt. Is it not obvious that the judiciary, an organ of government, that should stand as the last hope of a common man?
Guys, please share this program. Oh, can they be how they are being accused? Share. Pay close attention, oh. Pay close attention, oh. Kahana niya ne muna accuse, oh. Udele kurunusu one case yeah may increase. So as this one is accusing you guys, the case needs to increase. Oh, very important. Take notes. Take very note.
That they are also far corrupt.
And I know
politicians we see.
Okay.
This is an eye opener for me. If this can be happening to someone like King of the Game with social media.
Why you wanna cry, Daddy? Daddy, before Gebela Kwamenye give me the gang. Daddy, okay. You don't need to cry. Why are you crying? Why the cry? The game has not started yet. Why are you crying, baby? Stop.